Hello everyone. My name is Kirk Rabbit. In this video, Sinapon cooks Chirashi Sushi. Yes, I said sushi. Don't worry. It's super easy. We'll show you step by step. Before all these, you need to cook rice. You cook scrambled eggs. She used only 1 egg for 2 servings. But she said she wanted more. Once cooked, take it out on a dish or bowl. These are macrophyll or perilla leaves. Cut off the stems. And slice them thinly. You can substitute them with your locally available herbs. The black thing on your upper left is crushed nori. Now you mix vinegar. She poured rice vinegar. Sugar. And coarse salt. Please find the quantum in the description of this video. Stir well. If the sugar didn't melt, don't worry. It will melt in hot rice. Transfer the rice from the rice cooker to a bowl. And pour the vinegar mix evenly on the rice. Stir the rice with a rice scoop or spatula. Repeatedly scoop the rice from the bottom. Make sure all rice get vinegar mix. You need a fan here. Handy fan is so convenient, right? You move the rice scoop like slicing moves. This is to blow the excess heat. The rice does not have to be cooled. This vinegared rice is the base of every sushi. Nigiri-zushi or edamame-zushi, hand-rolled sushi, California rolls. You can just place vinegared rice under your lunch salad. Sinapon might make one someday. It is almost ready to serve. This was serving for two, so she put a half of the rice now. Finally, today's main ingredient is here. Shirasu fish is boiled baby anchovy fish. You can put any toppings. Salmon flakes, smoked salmon. If you have caviar, wow. And sprinkle all you prepared. Finally, add some ground sesame seeds. You don't have any sesame grinder? You can pinch them with your fingers. What did I say? It's super easy, right? It goes well with wasabi soy sauce. That's Chirashi Sushi. Thanks for watching.